In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow any group member to sign a document through Docusign signing groups. Let's dive right in and make it a seamless experience to share document signing responsibilities among your group members. The first thing you'll need to do is go over to Docusign's website. It's important to have your account ready since Docusign is heralded as the #1 platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Whether you're on your desktop or using a mobile device, simply open your preferred web browser and type in docusign.com. Once the website loads, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself if it's your first visit or if there are any updates you haven't checked out yet. After reaching the homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. It's typically positioned at the top right corner of the page, making it easily accessible. If you haven't logged in for a while, now might be a good time to ensure your credentials are at hand. This will take you to the login page where you can punch in your email and password to gain access to your account. Remember, ensuring your credentials are secure and up to date is crucial for a safe online experience. Once you're logged in, the next destination is the Docusign home. This is essentially your dashboard where all the magic happens. Here you have an overview of all your documents and the various settings you can tweak according to your needs. On the homepage you should see various options including recent forms and template folders. Navigate confidently to the upper menu bar, which will guide you in finding your next click. Now that you're on your Docusign home, keep an eye out for the Admin tab. Clicking on this will transition you to the administrative settings. This section is pivotal because it houses all the configurations, including user settings, preferences, and importantly, group management. As an admin, this is where you control who has access to what in your organization's interface. In the administrative settings, look for the Groups tab. This is the key area where you can manage groups and their permissions. Once you click on Groups, you'll be able to see a list of all existing groups or possibly create a new one depending on what's required for your task. In this section, you can specify that any member of a certain group can sign a document, streamlining collaboration, and ensuring everyone on the team can contribute without hurdles. And that's it! In just a few steps, you've successfully configured your Docusign settings to allow any group member to sign a document. It's simple, efficient, and ensures collaboration in your team remains unhindered. Remember, Docusign's platform is robust and detailed, so feel free to explore more features that might help your document workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy signing!